Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I won't be doing much talking because this video is very detailed, like very detailed. I'm gonna be doing a ponytail for my sister. She used it for her birthday shoot, yeah. So I'm going to be installing a frontal for her, which she used to do a ponytail. Then we used an extension of kinky. You can also use attachment of your choice. You can use any extension of your choice depending on how you want it. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on when you're seeing this video. Okay guys, before we get much further into the video, kindly subscribe, like, click the bell so that you can be notified whenever I post a new video. Okay, so guys, today I won't be talking much. Like I said before, this video is self-explanatory, very explanatory. Okay, so guys, I actually did her makeup for this photo shoot. I did her hair and her makeup, but I didn't put the makeup video, like how I did the makeup in this video, because it was too long and I don't like putting long videos. It was too long so that it won't bore you guys. Okay, so if you want the makeup look of how I created a makeup look, at the end of this video you're going to see the final look, yeah, both the hair and the makeup. So if you want me to upload the makeup on how I achieve that makeup look, kindly comment below. And if you have any suggestion of how to do this frontal ponytail, if you have any suggestion, kindly comment below. And for the products I use for this frontal installation, I'm gonna keep them down in my description box, like write them out for you guys so that you too also can look for them and use and do your own frontal. You can also buy your own products and do it by yourself. Okay, you know I love you guys. I like dishing out things that I know that is going to be useful to you guys. So just enjoy the video. Okay, here guys, I had to cut the frontal because it was too long. Like, look, if you can see, it was almost touching her ears, and you don't want that. By the time you install it, to start looking so artificial. Anytime you're installing your frontal, always make it look real, like natural. You get? So I decided to cut off the excess from the frontal so it won't touch her ear. That's what I did here, guys. If you noticed in the video, I didn't install all of them once. I decided to do it section by section. It's easier that way. And if you notice, I'm applying the bond not on her edges. You have to leave at least maybe ½ inch from where her edges is. You understand? Just leave ½ inch so that the bond will be on her hair to avoid her hair from cutting. You understand? It's better that way and safer, so our edges can still be intact even after moving the frontal. Okay, so just enjoy the rest of the video. And please guys, when you are drying this bond so that it's going to dry the glue, don't use the hot side. Yes, you understand? Use the cold part of the hand dryer. Yes, you need the cold side. You don't need the hot side. You don't need that heat. You just need it to cool down, like to dry up. And if you want to know when your glue is dry, you can just slightly touch it with the tip of your comb. If it's sticky or if it becomes transparent, if you notice that whitish cast is no longer there, it's now transparent, that's when you know that it has dried. Okay, before you now place your frontal on it. So just enjoy the rest of the video. I'll keep on explaining as the video. Wow guys, can you see that frontal? Can you see the lace melt? Look at that makeup. All my makeup videos are without filter. Like, see how clean this face bit is. Clean. Ah, good. So guys, thank you for watching this video. I'm gonna see you guys when next upload. Bye.